Minion. So, come on. Here you go.
Baguio. Where do we go?
Hotel.
Horse. There's a horse. Why is that tree so tall?
Huh? Hi. Hello.
Ah, my hands are burning.
Come on, go down.
Init naman. Bilisan mo.
So, the session. Let's go. Let's go to our hotel. Oh, there's a cottage there. Look at our hotel. At the left side, you see the point of the, where? The church, the Baguio Cathedral Church. And on their side,
At the right, there is the Borham.
Borham Park is there, guys. Sa baba lang. So guys, nandito kami sa hotel lobby kasi iiwan namin yung luggage namin kasi 2 p.m. pa yung aming check-in. Eh sayang naman kung mag-standby lang kami, so mag-stroll-stroll muna kami while waiting for our check-in time. Where's Tito?
I don't know. If I can see his motor, I could
So ito na nga guys, pumunta kami first stop, Baguio Cathedral, which is very close to our hotel. So while waiting for our check-in time, so nandito kami ni Yok Yok. Who's that coming?
Your worst nightmare. Whoa.
Since kaka-arrive namin, gutom pa kami, walang breakfast. So ito ang aming breakfast, ang mini donut here at Baguio Cathedral. Trivia guys, you know that Yok's favorite flavor? Cookies and cream. Tikman mo nga, be.
It's still hot. I can feel it.
Ay, still hot pa. Eating. This is the Baguio. Let's go. So, unrealistic. Look at the weather. So cool. Let's go. What inside of this park? Oh no. There's only like that.
What if I climb up here?
Just like it's a normal Yok.
Look at that guy.
Oh yeah. I guess let's go down na.
I can rap. Do you wanna hear it?
Yeah. I want to hear it. Come on.
Okay. Damn, why we just pissing my parents? Look at him. He looks so ugly. Look at him. He looks so ugly.
Maybe here.
hot nigga. Well, you are a skinny nigga. Now I am a skinny nigga, and you are fat nigga.
Dito, Yok eh. Yun o. Nine.
7. What if we find 6 now?
Go. Okay.
6 now.
I don't. 605. Count. Diba, 609. Oh, go.
Wow! Why is this room so small?
Small. So there you are, guys. Yok is checking our bathroom. I don't know what is his checking there, but now I'll show you our bed. So we just booked for 2 bed because we are 4 in this room, and there you are. We have complimentary. We have a coffee, cookies, heater to be used, a pitcher, then a swivel chair, a luggage to put on, a fridge, a small fridge. We have a 2-bedroom, and then oh, there you are, Yok. And then this is the cabinet. Then says 500 multa kapag nag-smoke. Check it here. So, diba? So, meron kang lagay ng mga gamit. Sorry guys, napakabilis ng aking video. At yan ang mga kasama ko. And sa CR, there's a shampoo, toothbrush, and then the glass that you can use, the towel, and the bathroom. We have a 1 rack, and then this is the shower room. It's so cool, so cute. It's very worth it. Yeah, and so clean. It's very clean, guys. It smells so good pa.
Then one more. There. Here's the small little room we have.
Sino katabi mo? Si Tito Patrick, kasi dalawa kayong boys?
Yeah.
Tikitin naman to si Yok.
It's time for your medicine.
So ito na guys, after namin mag-nap in the afternoon kasi 2 p.m. yung aming check-in, nag-nap kami for a little bit of time, and then ito nag-stroll kami at night in the Burnham Park. So strolling muna kami kasi the weather is so cold, so ang sarap-sarap maglakad-lakad here. So ito na guys, naglakad-lakad kami. Hinahanap namin dito yung Swan Lake kasi di ba may Swan Lake dito sa Baguio, pero very sad kasi under renovation siya, so hindi ka namin na-enjoy yung Burnham Park kasi hindi naman namin feel yung mag-bike kasi parang common na yun. And then we decided na lang na maglakad-lakad and we buy this taho. Maganda lang kasi yung taho dito kasi strawberry, which is very pure yung strawberry flavor and very authentic. Talagang masarap yung strawberry taho dito. I guarantee this is the best taho.
I want to go to
Strawberry taho.
tastes like strawberry and then... Hi guys! We're at Sky Ranch in Baguio.
Ay!
Guys!
Yok! Yok! So ito na nga guys, nagdakad-dakad lang kami here at Baguio. So sobrang sarap ng weather lang. Yun lang yung feel ko dito. Sobrang sarap ng weather. Kaya masarap balikan ng Baguio. And it's very disciplined yung mga tao dito. Sobrang linis. Naku, number 1 is cleanliness here. Napakaganda. Hi guys! So ito nga po pala guys. Itong mga yellow na to, paper na to, it's our complimentary breakfast. Pero nakakatuwa guys kasi nung binook ko to yung hotel, wala siyang inclusion na breakfast. So, in-expect ko na wala kaming breakfast. Pero pagdating namin dito sa hotel, binigyan niya kami ng complimentary breakfast for 4, which is 4 kami. So, ito nga yung mga plate na may nag-breakfast kami. May rice, may pancit, may fried rice, plain rice, mayroong potato fries, scrambled egg, dried fish, corned beef, and then this is the sotanghon soup. Yeah, the sotanghon soup. And also may mga cereals dyan. Then fruits, salad, and the other side is pastry. And yan, tapos gusto mayroong silang microwave or oven if you want to init the food. And then also the other side at the back, meron siyang parang mga juices, water, ganon. Sobrang nakakatuwa lang kasi hindi ko in-expect na may inclusion siya ng breakfast. So ito na ini-enjoy namin talaga yung food kasi I'm sure mahabang pasyalan ito after. So sulit na sulit yung kakainin namin dito kasi talagang unlimited breakfast siya. So heavy breakfast talaga. So yan na nga yung kumakain na kami ng aming heavy breakfast kasi marami kaming mga gagawin ngayong pasyal-pasyal. So, kasi 3 days lang kami. So, susulitin namin na 3 days para makapasyal kami sa mga lugar dito na tourist spot, guys. Okay. So, after mag-breakfast namin, guys, ito pumunta na kami sa first stop dito at second day namin sa Botanical Garden. Alam kong hindi na common to sa inyo, pero this is so relaxing in our eyes. Sobrang ganda at saka medyo na-improve na siya compare nung last na pumunta kami. Sobrang ganda ng Botanical Garden ngayon. So, yun. Yeah, napakaganda. We need to enjoy this nature. Especially to Yok-Yok pala kasi first time ni Yok-Yok here at ni tita niya. So, mas sila ang sobrang saya dito sa Baguio. Massive, which one? That one?
No, they're farmers. Why is this, bro? Why is this nose so big?
Ba tayo dun?
Oh, hell.
It's like a nature.
No, say it like this is nature, not this is a nature.
Nature?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nature. It's very cool. Lucky. It's massive.
You know, there's a map. There's a map eh.
There's a map.
Ayan o.
God, it's giant.
So up to 14, no? Sunod meron tayong main entrance, orchidarium tayo. Oh, let's go. Wow, ang ganda din ako. Picture lang po kayo. Wow, there's Yoki. This is called roses. Maraming roses yoko.
Ang ganda nga. Butterflies. Oh my gosh.
Yok roses yoko. Roses, roses. It's called roses, ha? Look at the butterfly.
Come here, butterflies. You are my... Oh, bee, come here.
Look at the bee.
Wag mo. It's gonna sting me. I don't like
There's
it.
a bee.
Ooh! It's gonna sting me.
So,
It's gonna fucking sting me. Yo, guys! We can't go here. There's no fence.
Ganda.
Pag may fence, hindi ka pwede pumunta. Pero
Yeah. Let's see the loob. Let's see the loob.
it's the
Let's-
tree of life. It looks like...
Tree of life. Imagination mo too much.
Yo!
Too much
I
imagination.
feel like I'm in another world.
It's so cute, Yoki. Ah, that's why may bayad siya.
Bro, what was that? What if I climb up?
And then you will pay if you climb up.
What does this do? Some of the brand, may mga spider web. May mga spider webs. May spider ang maliit. May maliit na spider oh.
We're heading to where, Yok? Japanese? Japanese nga. Tunnel yung tunnel.
Dito?
Yeah. Ay, hindi park yan.
May mga statues dyan. Gusto ko mag-picture sa mga statues.
Siya, sure. Okay, tell me.
Yata may mga
Tunnel.
statues.
May ano, may... Okay ka pa.
Spider saan?
Ay, ito Yok. There's
This is spider. This is spider web.
There.
It's in the middle. The water. I'm going to touch it. There's a coin!
Sa wishing well eh. Yok, halika na, Yok.
Oh, it's you! Asan?
Gastos.
And I'm the little one.
Naagot ang anak ko eh. I'm the yurak. Bully.
Hi guys! This is my mama.
Bye.
Oh, what's that?
Yung sa ulo pa, Yok.
Kuha ka ng sibat mo dun, bilis.
Ang spear, Yok. Spear. Flower, be. Kuha ka ng flower. Oo, ba nga.
Halika, suot na kayo. Yes, picture ko sa cellphone na. Atras.
Where is Tita? We're going on a scavenger.
Read mo yun, oh.
The mansion.
Alam mo yung mansion, anak? You know,
It's a
the-
giant house.
No, it's the it's a place where the president lived before.
Wait, yeah, I remember this. Like, I saw this on YouTube. Because one guy wanted to like handshake the president. And then they went here to try to find him, but he was not here.
Okay.
Underroad, ano? Underroad production. Hindi ka tabaw.
It's probably somewhere there. We have to find it.
Okay.
I want.
Go.
I stopped.
Yok, kita side yok. Yok, gilid.
We can go up. We can go up. Come.
Go. Ay, maganda din.
Ang bigat ng things ko, di ako nakadito. Bakit susunod tayo doon sa tanggalin ko na yung things ko, dapat na. Taas.
Yoki. Yok.
Horses.
You want?
Yellow horses. Hi.
Yeah. Horsey. Yok is here.
But,
Horsey.
hello.
Ay, masih, Yoki. Himasi-masi mo yung ulo, be. Yung paa mo dun sa ano.
Pasa kayo mo deh. Sementik.
Pagkakagayat ng mama, kawag ng mama ng nagluli. Ang tatanga, tataplit na diskutan. Pagkakagayat ng mama, ang kawag ng mama ng nagluli. Ang putang ko.
Makita si Yoki. She's gonna kick me. Yoki. Yok. Yoki, slippery dyan.
Hindi kaya ito, no?
Where?
Magtanggal to, mag-steal ko pa kaya.
Cut down there. Ay, dami ang haba, oh.
Gila, oh.
Stone nga siya. Nana, hindi. Ah.
Guard na siya ngayon, may guard.
Bakit ito tayo?
Aha, sige. Sige, te.
Ako nila, no?
Bye-bye. On the lens.
Baka ano? Ay, ako. Ito white car ba?
Ipon niya ba ito?
Hayok! Ano itong tao to? Yok, sino to? Tapos, okay. Yok, get inside. Come on. Scary.
Oh! Take a piece.
See. It's a mine. Yan na. It's a mining area, Yok. They're just finding gold.
What if we find gold?
Then you're lucky. Before you find it, you already get it na. Wala na daw. This is the CR, Yok, oh.
Going to poop in there.
So you poop, paano mag-poop? Hi, Yok. Say hi, Yok. Yoki, hi. So, Yok is there. Susah.
Mag-sombrero kayo, madam. Mag-sombrero kayo. Mabalin ka power, ano pa power. Feeling ko power. Feeling ko try to. Picture mo.
See the dragon? Huh?
Okay ka lang.
Yoki. Hi. How are you?
Hi.
How are you? Oh, are you okay?
Yes.
So where are you now?
Dragon. Oh, there's a horse.
Horse?
It's a lion.
Costume kayo, ma.
It's like a unicorn. Oh,
Okay. Go up na sa second floor tayo, sa may taas. Yung taas ito. Ito pala eh. Let's go.
can you hold this?
Ito yung nilabas ang ano. Hindi na nilabas yung ano.
Hi, Yok. Yok, Yok.
Dapat naman magpa-picture niya.
Where? Oh nga, ay. Oh, someone drag. Ano nga, oh. May nakasleeping ano, Yok, oh. Sleeping dragon yan, Yok.
Ma, there's a golden dragon.
Where? Si ano yan? Si King Ghidorah mo.
Ghidorah has 3 heads now.
Yeah, King Ghidorah.
Pamasahe ka. Pipisa pati yan yung.
Si King Ghidorah, oh. Yung stop that ako. Naku, si King Ghidorah
Kunin mo.
yan.
Get that coins and then you have a pamasahe na pabalik.
There pa, oh. They're just fixing the other dragon, oh, head.
Ano nandaan mo yan?
So, this... Hi, Yuki. Ay. Wow. Wow. They're just fixing it. Come on, can we get inside naman? Para pwede pa tayong pumasok.
Hindi yung sculpture ang mga umukit niya. Wala na sila sa bubong. Parang dito daan.
Ano yan? Mga iguana. Ay. Ano yan? Hinuhulma yan sa may hulmahan sila yan. Ay, oh. Yoko, dragon. Ah, sorry, sorry.
Lagyan na natin.
Ay, putak. Oh my God. Look at inside here. Oh my gosh. What's this? Okay.
I farted.
Napaganda dito. Ito tayo dito. Kami Philippine flag.
Tulog pa nga ng dragon doon sa pinakataas yung black.
Not yet, Yok. Yoki. Yoki. What?
Parang sa the dragon.
Ano ba ba? Takso-taksak pa yun. Ha? Hala?
Kapit tayo dito next year. Ulit. Ano ba? Marami na tayong pupunta.
Halika tayo. Be, picture lang kita, be. Nag-aayos ako dun. Yok, say. Bye-byes. Dragon. Treasure dragon.
I'm going out of the dragon treasure castle because it's too boring. We explored everything.
It's boring.
We
It's
explored
cute nga eh. It's realized. Oh, look at the fog.